How do you deal with the loss of close ones? Death is part of our life. So long as you understand that, it won't be such a shock. When I lost my senior tutor, Ling Rinpoche, I was very sad. He seemed as essential to me as a support on my neck. But then I thought, this sadness isn't helping anything. Better use the sadness to advantage and find in it an incentive to do what my teacher advised me to do. 你如何面对亲人的离世？死亡是我们生命的一部分，只要你理解这一点，它就不会那么令人震惊。当我失去导师林仁波切时，我非常伤心。他对我来说就像是景象上的支撑一样重要。但后来我想，这种悲伤没有任何帮助，倒不如把悲伤转化为动力，并以此为激励，去实践我的老师曾经教导我的事情。